Hey guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. What am I predicting on GU? Before we do today's analysis on GU, I would like to do a quick recap on GU guys. So what were we expecting on GU? If you watch my previous analysis on GU, I was predicting GU to at least hit my first TP area. I think we were around this area right here, right? We were around this area right here, and it hasn't hit my negative 27% fib level, right? So I was predicting it to at least get to that my negative 27% fib level, which is my always my TP1 area. So I was predicting some sort of like a push around my TP area right there, my TP1 1.27246, right? And I said that in case if we get to that level and we continue to see momentum of buy, then I will ride it to my negative 61.8% fib level. And this particular one, which is 1.27524, is my minor structure. That's my minor structure for this particular trade, which is coming from this zone right here, an impulse correction and a continuation around that area right there, right? So this was my my major. If you go to a bigger time frame, what was my major? This was my major trade: impulse here, correction, right, and a continuation to the post. So right around this zone right here was the major structure, and this particular minor one was my minor structure. So I'm just saying this for just in case of people that doesn't know my minor structure and major structure, so I will not confuse you guys. So as you can see that we started pushing to the upside, and we my TP2 area was also it, which is my negative 61.8% fib level. And like if you've been watching my analysis, that negative 61.8% fib level and negative 27% fib level have reversal area, and you can see that as soon as we get to negative 61.8% fib level, we can see that reversal, right? We started tanking and tanking to the downside, right? So that was and that's my quick update on GU guys. So right now I'm gonna delete my previous analysis on GU and let's analyze GU based on the current price market. Let's see what GU have for us, right? So just like let's do top down analysis. Let's go to a bigger time frame, my monthly time frame. Let's see. You can see on my monthly time frame, just like I've been saying in my previous analysis on GU, we can see that pushing to the upside to at least to this trend line right here, right? At least around this trend line right here, right? But remember, this is like the overall analysis. This is the monthly time frame. So let's see. So we have this minor structure that we've been working on. You can see right here, which is the weekly time frame. We have this impulse correction and a continuation, right? We can see, and that is where we hit my negative 27% fib level. We can still see the momentum of buy around this area right here. So certainly I'm still predicting it to continue to push to the upside, and if you continue to push to the upside, then my second TP will be my negative 61.8% fib level. Hopefully get there, remember. But if you look left, right, we can see that this is a significant area. We've been rejecting around this area for quite a while now, and we know that my negative 27% fib level is a reversal area. So there is some sort of like there might be a push to the downside to at least 1.265546 around that area, because that's where we have this break of structure that this beautiful candle broke, right? We broke that break of structure with this bull candlestick, and we might come down there to have like a sort of retest around that area right there. So let's go to my daily time frame and see. And that is one of the reasons why I'm predicting that we might fall a little bit to around that area, just like I mentioned, before we continue to push to the so as you can see, right, so there might be some sort of like a push to the downside, just like I mentioned, right? Let's go to my daily time frame, my 4 hour time frame, and see. So we can see on this 4 hour time frame that the market is a little bit indifferent. We can see that we've been kind of like choppy around this area right here. So we can draw a zone right here. You can see that the market is refusing to break the zone out of the zone right here, right? So that also signifies that we might push to the downside, right, for a while. Let's get to my right. So for us to be safe for a buy on GU, at least let us break this zone with a beautiful bull candlestick, right? Something like this. Break this structure right here, then we might continue to push to the upside to get to around that trend line right here. Let's see if I can see there is an imbalance right here. So let's see if that's the good spot. That's why I rejected around that area. Let's delete that. Let me see. So since we have not broke through this zone right here, there's a possibility for a push to the downside. Let's go to much more time frame and see if things can be clearer. We can see that we currently have this bear candlestick right here around the zone as well. So there's a possibility for some sort of like a reversal to the downside. Let's see point A to point B right here. So remember, this is just a mini zone right around this area right here. We can see, so let's see, a smaller time frame and see. So we might see something like this, then push to the downside to get TP1, TP2. Let's see from here to here for TP1, and TP2 will be round around here. So that is what I'm looking forward to right now. But we can also see that we have this zone right here too that is a little bit crucial, because we can see that in previously we have been rejecting around that zone quite a while. So if we continue to push to the downside, then certainly that zone will be a good point as well, right? Because we can see that the zone also had a touch of a trend line for us to see right there. So if we continue to push to the downside, even when we get here and we continue to see the down direction, then certainly this would be a good zone, right? Right, that will be a good zone for us to also continue to push to the downside on that if we continue to see momentum of sell, right? So let's put our first target right here. Next target here, then TP2 right here, then overall right here. So this is my quick thought on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to, and if we continue to push to the upside, right, let's just do that. This will be a good target for an uptrend first, but like I said, we have to be mindful of that because we have to at least let it come and break that zone for us to buy, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis, guys. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.